Hi students, good morning. So from today onwards, for 9th standard, per day 4 subject, that is mean 4 classes. Okay, so weekly 5 days max class is there. Per week 5 days. Okay, so in this 5 class, 4 is a class, 1 is a test. Okay, maximum 4 classes, 1 test. Okay, sometimes unable to conduct test means per day 5 classes there. Okay, right. Hereafter, every week subject teachers will come to your home, then collect your homework note. We will check your homework note. Then if you did not send your homework means daily phone call will come your parents daily. Okay, today is max homework you didn't complete, so I will call to your parent. Okay, right. So do your work. So please understand current situation. Okay, so due to corona, everything is stopped. Okay, so please understand the current situation and please cooperate with the teachers. It is for your study. Right. So today's class, second chapter, first chapter over, second chapter, polynomials. So yesterday I conducted the test, first chapter test conducted, right. Now second chapter, polynomials. Second chapter, polynomial. So what is a polynomial? What is a polynomial? In 7th standard, 8th standard, you learn linear equation in one variable, two variables, you learned it. Okay, right. Equation equal. We have two sides, left hand side and right hand side, equal sign is there. Right. First, I remember the variables, constant, expressions, equation. Can you remember? What is a variable? What is a variable? Variable, alphabet letters. Variable, first. Variable. Okay, x, y, a, b, etc. X, y, a, b, etc. We can use alphabet letters denoted as variable. Variable should be in small letters. Don't use as capital. Use only small letters. Okay, X, Y, A, B, M, N, P, Q. Any alphabet letter we can use for represent to represent variable. Right. It is not a fixed value. Variable takes various values. Takes various values. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. The value is not fixed. The value is not fixed. Okay. For example, already you learned in 8th standard. We used x, y variables. For one question, x value is 4. For another question, x value is 6. We get different values for same variable. For example, it is x minus 2 equal to 0. This is one equation. What about x value? Here 2. Next one, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what about x value? Is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. Here x value is 2. Here x value is 3. So variables takes various values. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. Okay, right. Next, constant. Next to constant. Okay, it is a numerical value. Number. It is fixed. The value is fixed. Number. Constant means number, numerical value. 2, 5, -7, -8. Any one number, real numbers. We can use any one number. That is constant. Okay, it is fixed. For example, 10. It is 10. This value is always 10 only. For one question 10, another one question 5. No. Okay, so it is constant. Next one, expression. Next one, expression. Tamil வந்து கோவை அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Expression. So what is expression? Variable and constant have at least any one operation. Okay, constant do not change. Variable can keep changing. Variable can keep changing. Okay, expression. For example, x -4. Okay, so the variable here, what is the operation? Minus. One variable, one constant, one operation. It is expression. Y plus 7. It is one expression. 2m. 2 multiply with m. What is mean by 2m? 2 multiply with m. Okay, here what is the operation? Multiplication. Variable. So these are called the expression. These are called the expression. Next equation, no, right. Next to polynomial. Polynomial. So polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. Right. Very simple. Polynomial in one variable. Do you know the exponent? Last chapter, law of exponents. We learned it. The power is a whole number, only whole number. The power only whole number. That is called a polynomial. Only whole numbers as the exponent of the variable. The expression of this form are called polynomial. Okay, only whole number, only whole numbers as the exponent. Exponent means powers. Exponents of the variable. Of the variable. That expression of this form are called expression. Expression of this form called a polynomial in one variable. The polynomial in one variable, right? Only whole numbers as the exponent of the variable. It is one variable. Okay, exponent is power 4. What is a 4? It is a whole number. Is it whole number? Yes. So the expression, it is one of the expression. Okay, expression of this form called a polynomial. X4 4 plus 3. Example. Okay, 2y cube. It is a polynomial. It is variable, only one variable, power 3. That is a whole number. That is a whole number. So they are called a polynomial. We can give more examples. We can give, right? X power minus 2 is not a polynomial. X power minus 2 is not a polynomial. Why? Because here power is minus 2. This minus 2 is not a whole number. This minus 2 is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Okay. Now once again explain. First polynomial. Okay. So before going to see the polynomial, we will just recall the variables and constant. Variable, we can use any alphabet to represent the variable x, y, a, b, etc. Variable takes various values. The variable keep changing. The variable value keep changing. It is not fixed. It is not fixed value. Next constant. So it is a number. This value is fixed. Next expression. One variable, one constant with some operation. Plus a, minus a, multiplication or division. So these are called expression. Okay. So next polynomial. Only whole number as the exponents of the variable. Only whole numbers as exponents of the variable. Okay, so that like expression of this form called a polynomial in one variable. In one, because we use here only one variable. This is in terms of x, here y. Okay, so x power minus 2 is not a polynomial. Why? Reason? What is that? Power is minus 2. It is not a whole number. Power is minus 2. It is not a whole number. Are you clear? So next, terms coefficient. Is it polynomial? Is it polynomial in one variable? First you check it. Variable is one or more than one. X. Only one variable. Next you check the exponent. What is the exponent here? 4. Here 2. Here 1. 4, 2, 1. They are whole numbers. It is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Here 3 terms are there. But here we can write 5 terms. Okay, what is the highest power? 4. We can write 4 plus 1, 5 terms. Okay, so that one we will see later. So how many terms here? 1, 2, 3. So next coefficient. So what is the coefficient? That is numerical factor. Numerical factor. So commonly asked, write the coefficient means simply asked write the coefficient of this polynomial. Write the coefficient of this polynomial. Okay. So first you write it terms. What are the terms? X power 4 one term. 5x square one term, okay, 2x one term. So it is a recall only, okay, no need definition. Coefficient. What is the numerical factor? X power 4. The x power 4 we can write as x into x into x into x. Okay, there is no constant. Okay, so we can write as 1 into x. 1 into. Okay, so these are called algebraic factor. Algebraic factor. So it is called the numerical factor. It is called a numerical factor. So that numerical factor only coefficient. So here 1. Here what is the numerical factor? 5. Here what is the numerical factor? 2. That is coefficient. Suppose you want to write coefficient of any specific variable. For example, same one. Write the coefficient of x square. Write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square for this one. Okay, right. First you choose the terms which contains x square. Which contains x square. The terms which contains x square. Which one is only 5x square? Only one term is there. It is not x square. It is x. Okay, so you write this term 5x square. So, only one term. Okay, so commonly asked, write the coefficient. We want to write all the numerical factor. That is, numerical factors, numerical coefficients மட்டும் write பண்ண சொல்லிட்டா காமனா write the coefficient அப்படினா அந்த numbers மட்டும் write பண்றோம். Only the number 1, 5, 2. Suppose ஏதாவது specify அந்த variable கொடுத்து இதுக்கு coefficient write பண்ண அப்படினா coefficient of x square for example. Okay, term first என்ன choose பண்ணனும்? அந்த x square இருக்கிற term choose பண்ணனும். 5x square. It is this term contains x square. Okay, 5x square. Write it now. Coefficient of x square is 5. Okay, now what is the numerical factor? 5. What is the numerical factor? 5. That's all. Next, polynomials. Some types of polynomials: constant polynomial, zero polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, then nth order polynomial. Nth order polynomial. Okay, now listen. Everything is called polynomial, but some specific name. For example, 7th standard. For example, 9th standard. Okay, so you are in 9th standard. 9th standard, come on. So everyone want to come. Okay, was a specific some name. Okay, Akash come. So Akash only want to come. Okay, so இது காமனா நேம் வந்து 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். இதுல ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் தனித்தனி நேம் உண்டு. ஓகேவா? சோ அதே மாதிரி ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா ஒரு சில பாலினாமியல்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம நேம் மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். ஆனா நமக்கு எல்லாமே சேர்ந்தது பாலினாமியல் தான். You are all in 9th standard. Okay, I'll explain. According to degree, we can. What is a degree? So before going to find the types of polynomial, what is a degree? Degree. The highest power. The highest power. X power 4 plus 2x plus 3. It is a one polynomial. It is one polynomial. Okay. So here, which one is highest power? Degree. Which one is highest power? Here power is 4, here 1, here 0. Which one is highest power? 4. So degree is equal to 4. So degree of this polynomial 4. Okay. So the highest power only called it as degree. Right. First constant polynomial. The next one zero polynomial. Then third one, linear polynomial. Then fourth one, quadratic polynomial. Then fifth one, cubic polynomial. Okay. Name of the polynomial. Okay, here example. Examples. Constant polynomial. Already you know the constant. What is the constant? It is number. Okay. 5, 4, 5 minus 8. These are called a constant polynomial. These are called a constant polynomial. What is the degree of the constant polynomial? Degree of the constant polynomial. You are one more one. Degree 1. Sorry. Degree 0. Okay. For example, 4 we can write as 4 into x power 0. Very clear. 4 into x power 0. What is x power 0 value? 1. Anything power 0, 1. So 4 into 1. What is that? 4. So we can write here 4 instead of 4. We can write as 4 x power 0 or 4 y power 0. 5 y power 0 minus 8 z power 0. That z power 0. Anything power 0, 1. 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Okay, so the degree is 1, 0. Next is 0 polynomial, simply 0. Degree, any degree. Any degree. How? 0 into x power 100. Now what is the power? 100. But 0 into x power 100? 0 only. Now what is the degree? What is the degree here? 100. Okay. 0 into x power 5. Now what is the degree? 5. But the answer is 0 only. So 0 polynomial, simply 0. Degree, any degree. Linear polynomial is that degree 1. What is the power? X power 1, y power 1. These are different polynomials, not a single polynomial. X is one polynomial, y is one polynomial, 5 is it is also one polynomial. 5 is one polynomial. Okay, what is the degree of this polynomial? 1. Degree of this polynomial? 1. Next to quadratic polynomial. Next to quadratic polynomial. Y square plus 2. 3z square. These are called a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What is the degree? Highest power 2. Highest power 2. Highest power 2. So degree of this polynomial 2. Degree of this polynomial 2. The next cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial 3y cube. It is one polynomial. Or z cube plus 2. It is one of the polynomial. So 3y cube plus z cube. Sorry, 3y cube. It is one polynomial. Z cube plus 2. It is one of the polynomial. What is the highest power? 3. Highest power 3. Okay, that is a degree. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. Okay, so constant polynomial degree 0, 0 polynomial degree any degree, linear polynomial 1, quadratic polynomial 2, cubic polynomial 3. Okay, so that's all. Today's class over. Thank you.